Ever feel like your dashboards get ignored? Let's make them impossible to forget. So you've got the numbers, the charts, and maybe a dashboard or two, but if your audience is zoning out, you're not alone. Data storytelling is the secret sauce that transforms raw stats into insights that actually stick. Let's break it down. First, start with a clear narrative. What's the big question your data answers? Frame it like a story, not a spreadsheet. For example, instead of just showing sales trends, ask, what changed our sales in Q2? That's your plot. Next, simplify. Ditch the clutter. Stick to the visuals that support your story. Use bold highlights, clear labels, and color strategically to guide attention. Remember, every chart should earn its spot. Now make it interactive. Tableau's filters and actions let your audience explore the story themselves. Let them click, drill down, and find their own aha moments. It's like giving your viewers the remote control. Don't forget context. Layer in annotations, tooltips, and captions. Explain why a spike matters or what that dip really means. It's these little touches that make your dashboard not just seen, but understood. Finally, end with a takeaway. Wrap up your dashboard with a summary. What should your audience do or remember after seeing your story? Make it clear, actionable, and hard to ignore. With these techniques, you'll go from dashboard builder to data storyteller. Because in the end, it's not about the charts, it's about the story you tell. Ready to level up your Tableau game? Hit subscribe for more tips.